Hi everyone, my name is Mubashir Shamim from the CS department of Shri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we're gonna discuss harmony in nature, a symphony of interdependence. Harmony in nature is a concept that encompasses the intricate balance and interconnectedness of all living things within the nature world. It is a testament to the remarkable way that different species, ecosystem and processes work together in a complex and dynamic symphony. From the smallest microorganism to the largest ecosystem, nature exhibits an extraordinary capacity of self-regulation and mutual fulfillment. The four orders of nature. Mineral kingdom. The realm encompasses the rock, minerals, and geological formation that form the foundation of our planet. It provides the physical structure for all life and plays a crucial role in shaping the landscape and influencing the flow of energy through ecosystems. Plant kingdom. The plant kingdom is responsible for photosynthesis, transforming sunlight into energy that fulfills life on Earth. Plants also provide food, shelter, and oxygen, making them essential for the survival of all living organisms. Animal kingdom. Animals plays a vital role in the balance of nature by consuming plants and other animals, contributing to the flow of energy and nutrient through ecosystem. They also participate in pollination, seed dispersal, and other processes that contribute to the health and diversity of the nature world. Human kingdom. Humans, as a part of the animal kingdom, have a unique responsibility, respect the dedication balance of nature. Our actions can have profound environment and it's our duty to ensure that we live in harmony. Interconnectedness of the nature world. Predator-prey relationships. Predator-prey relationships demonstrate the delicate balance between species. Predators help regulate prey population, preventing organizing and ensuring a healthy ecosystem. Pollination. Pollination is a vital process for plant reproduction. Animals like bees and butterflies plays a crucial role in transforming pollen from one flower to another, allowing for the creation of seeds and fruits. Nutrient cycling. Nutrient cycling is a continuous process that involves the movement of essential elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus through different ecosystems, ensuring the availability of these nutrients for ultimately supporting the entire food web. Self-regulation in ecosystems. Population control. Ecosystem has natural mechanism for regulation population sizes, preventing any single species from being dominant and disrupting the balance of the ecosystem. This can occur through predation, competition, and disease. Resource allocation. Ecosystem efficiently allocate resources such as food, water, and sunlight among different species, ensuring that all organisms have access to what they need for survival and growth. Waste management. Ecosystems have natural processes for breaking down and recycling waste products, preventing the accumulation of harmful substances and maintaining healthy environment for all living organisms. Climate regulation. Ecosystem plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, helps to moderate temperature and maintain a stable climate. Mutual fulfillment among living beings. Symbiosis. Symbiosis is a close and often long-term interaction between two different species where both organisms benefit from the relationships. Example includes the clownfish and sea anemones, where the clone finds protection within the anemones stinging tentacles, while the anemones benefit from the clownfish cleaning and waste removal activities. Competition occurs when different species vie for the same resource such as food, water, or territory, where competition can be piracy. It also plays a role in driving natural selection, leading to the development of adaptation that allows species to thrive in specific niches. Cooperations. Cooperations is another important form of interaction in nature where species work together to achieve a common goal. For example, birds may cooperate to defend their territory from predators, or ants may work together for food to build their nests. The principle of homeostasis. Internal equilibrium. Homeostasis refers to the ability of living organisms to maintain a stable internal environment despite fluctuations in external conditions. This involves regulation factors such as temperature, pH, and nutrient levels within a narrow range that allows for optimal functioning. Feedback mechanisms. Homeostasis is achieved through feedback mechanisms which involve sensors that detect changes in internal conditions and trigger response to restore balance. For example, when body temperature rises, the body sweats to cool down, restoring a stable temperature. Maintaining balance. Homeostasis is crucial for survival. It ensures that living organisms can function effectively despite the constantly changing environment. Without homeostasis, cells and tissues would be unable to survive and thrive. Symbiotic relationships in nature. Mutualism. Mutualism relationships occurs when both species benefit from the interaction. A classic example is the relationship between bees and flowers. Bees pollinate the flowers, helping them reproduce, while the bees gain nectar and pollen as food. Parasitism. Parasitic relationships involves one species benefiting at the expense of the other. For example, tapeworms live in the intestines of animals, absorbing nutrients from their host, which can lead to health problems for the host organism. Communalism. Commensal relationships occurs when one species benefits from the interaction while the other species is either harmed or not helped. For example, barnacles attack themselves to the skin of whales, benefiting from the transporting and accessing the food while the whales are not affected. Cycles and rhythms in natural world. Cycle. Water cycle. Description. The continuous movement of water on above and below the surface of the earth. Carbon cycle. The continuous movement of carbon through the earth's atmosphere, oceans, land and living organisms. Nitrogen cycle. The continuous movement of nitrogen through the earth's atmosphere, oceans, land and living organisms. Adaptations and resilience in nature. Evolutionary processes. Adaptations are traits that have evolved over time to help organisms survive and reproduce in their specific environment. These adaptations can be physical, behavioral, or psychological. For example, a cactus spines helps to conserve water in arid climates, while a polar bear's thick fur helps it survive in freezing. Ecosystem resilience. Resilience refers to ability of ecosystem to withstand and recover from disturbance such as fires, floods, or droughts. This ability is often linked to the diversity of species and their interconnectedness within the ecosystem. Adaptive capacity. The adaptive capacity and resilience is essential for the survival of species and ecosystem in the face of ongoing environmental change. As the climate changes, the habitations and altered species that are more adaptable and resilient will be better equipped to survive and thrive. Conclusion. Embracing the harmony of existence. The harmony of nature is a testament to the interconnectedness and independence of living things. By understanding the appreciating the harmony, we can foster a deeper respect to the natural world and strive to live in a way that respects the delicate balance of ecosystem. Our role is not just to observe and admire this harmony but also play a responsible part in preserving it for future generations.